You, my guy, welcome back to our channel, Service and Skill. It's Corper Mixer here, and I'm here with another visitor on the channel. I'm so excited about her visit. Yeah, so I'm going to allow her to introduce herself to us and tell us the school she graduated from, her course of study, and her state of origin. So over to you.
Okay, I'm Mary Abidoye Omowumi. That Omowumi is very important.
Mary Abidoye
Omowumi.
Omoumi. Cool. Okay.
So
School.
I schooled
You graduated
from I graduated from Olabisi Onabanjo University, Agawe
Olabisi
Onabanjo
Onoba.
University.
Why is the name so long?
I don't know.
What's the short for the name?
OU.
Okay, OU. Okay. Yeah. Now OU I know.
So is popularly known as Ogun State University.
Ogun State University.
That's OSU.
Okay. So what did you study in school?
I studied education and computer science.
Education and computer science. So
Yes.
it's a bit computer
A
things.
little tech,
Little
not
tech.
much.
Yeah, little tech. That's cool. So and your state of origin?
I'm from Ondo State.
Ondo State.
Yes.
Okay, Ondo State. That's cool. So Ondo State in the building. Okay, so next is your brand.
Okay.
You have a brand.
I have a brand,
Okay.
but not really a brand. I run an advocacy movement for the Girl Child
Advocacy
movement.
Okay.
So I'm a Girl Child advocate.
Okay, Girl Child Advocate.
Yes.
Okay, that's cool. Is it like you say you've how did you get started? When did you get started? Or you are just starting?
I'm just starting to. Last year, I did a project because I was working in a secondary school as of that period. So it was really unplanned, but I did it. You know,
Okay.
I gathered all the students in the school,
Okay.
and then we did some talks, some girls talk. So I feel
Okay,
like it's
okay.
something that I would like to continue.
Okay,
Though-
that's when it started.
Yes,
Last year
yes,
from that
yes.
project.
Yes.
Okay.
Though I'm always this kind of person that have this, this kind of passion for Girl Child.
Okay.
When I see them around me, I feel like they are always needing something. Because I grew up having a very low self-esteem about myself,
Okay.
about being a Girl Child. There is lots to talk about though.
Alright.
Well,
About the Girl Child.
Yes.
So just still give us a brief about the Girl Child, like the movement. Like I don't really, it's just from the name. Maybe the name they self-explanatory. Girl Child movement, but for the
Advocate.
viewers, advocates. So like, what's the like? Give us more.
Actually, for now, I'm starting an advocacy movement in Jos,
Okay.
and I think I have my team already.
Alright.
Maybe we'll be coming to this channel.
Okay, that's cool. Like you guys are invited.
Yes.
You're welcome.
So I have my team already. So we'll be going to schools, probably especially for that Girl Child Internationals Day.
Okay.
So which will be happening next month, October 10.
Next month,
Yes.
October 10th.
Yes.
Okay.
We are going to be we're going to a school to enlighten the girls about the agenda, how they can grow beyond what they see.
So now I'm getting the movement.
Yes.
And you try to understand the movement
Yes, that they are not limited. There is
Okay.
nothing like is a man or maybe your education will end education. No, not here, not when I'm here. So
Okay.
and then we'll be sharing pads, other toiletries though.
Okay.
And then I think we might share perfume. Then we'll talk.
Okay. Perfume, roll on. all those
Yes,
things too.
yes.
And that's nice. That's nice. Okay. So next is your camp experience, and that whole 3 weeks, 21 days we spent in camp. How the whole thing be like for you?
Oh God.
Oh God.
It's a long story though.
Oh God. Yeah, sure.
Though everywhere was cold, the experience
That is so cool.
is a novel on its own. But anyways, I'll just share the manual drill experience because it's when we started the game or the exercise,
The manual
it looks
physical.
yes, it looks as if this thing is hard, this thing is complex. But with time, and I feel like it describes how our life is.
Okay.
It describes how we can actually gather energy and achieve something we want.
Yeah.
You know, if you take things step by step, you'll surely get to where you are going.
Yeah.
So I feel like that manual drill was a very great experience.
I thought you learned a lot from
I
that.
learned a lot.
Drill
You know, not just the physical aspect, but you know, me going gradually in the game. It's just like a game. Me going gradually, climbing the plank, holding the rope, everything signifies strength and resilience.
So you're strong, baby. Strong woman.
Strong, go see my hand.
All right. Okay. Next is you have any advice for Corpers, students still in school, or your advice it can be based on your girl movements. If you do one for the girls.
Okay, my advice for anyone listening to this.
Anyone watching this.
Yeah. It's just you know, I would like to buttress more about networking. Okay. You know, networking really goes a long way.
Right.
You don't know where you get to tomorrow.
Yeah.
You don't know. Anybody can be a president. Anybody can be anybody. Anything. You can be somebody. Yeah. So you don't know where you are going to. So please make use of your time. Connect with people. Even if you are not going to be chatting them every day, get their number, speak to them. Yeah. Life is more than what you see now. The fact that somebody has a cat, you don't know what you will have tomorrow. You can have 5 cars tomorrow. So networking will be my advice for everybody.
All right. That's cool. Okay, so after NYSC, like what next for you after NYSC?
Okay, so I would like to join the NGOs. I'll look for a team. Okay. Just to build myself. Yeah. Because I'm seeing future in it.
Still relating to your girl advocacy.
Yes. Yeah. Well, I would like to try other areas. I'm not really focused. I'm not just focused on the girl child.
Okay. And you're a tech bro or tech sis?
Tech girl.
Okay, tech girl. All right, that's good. So thank you guys for watching, and make sure you guys to share our videos. You guys will like anything, and you can comment.
Subscribe.
Yeah, subscribe. So you guys will comment and subscribe, and see you on the next one.